Hi guys, this is a re-review of the done for you services made by Ariella, Lorio and Wesley Virgin. Actually, this is a wonderful, or the best I saw it as the best done for you services between or among the other programs. Let's take a minimum review of what is done for you services and what are the pros and cons or what are and how do you get it. First of all, the done for you services as a process, you will log in to a webinar, and you will find a full webinar of about 2 hours about Wesley and Ariella Lorio. Ariella Lorio will talk about this webinar and a lot of things that will help you in what? In stating and what? In establishing a full business marketing online. Okay? Okay. Let's take this review, please. Done for you service system will teach you what? Will teach you everything about the non-mistake Facebook advertising campaign as an affiliate. So you will be an affiliate marketer. For who? For done for you services and for the company of Wesley Virgin. Okay? And the second woman is Ariella and the company of Wesley Virgin. Okay? She will what? This is training a course. This is a training course. You will get into a training course for 2 hours. Okay? Okay. For action takers. It is just for action takers. Why? This is not a process of getting money from the sky. Not. Okay? You have to take action. Okay? And it is simple action. If we compare it to the hard works you are doing every day, okay? It's the homework actions, okay? You just need what? You need a laptop, a phone, and internet, okay? Okay. If you are new to affiliate marketing, this will give you a chance to start making money within a relatively short period, providing you have some budget to spend. Of course, you must have a budget, small budget, to spend in order to start as an affiliate. Okay? Okay. How this this course will guarantee for you to get what, or to answer the question of how to make $500 plus per day online with this simple two-step system, even if you have zero experience. Listen to this. Even if you have zero experience, you will be able to get this money. Okay? Okay. In this training, you will get what? You will create, you will, or the done for you services will create your website so you can see sales as soon as today. For one day, you will see what your website is published. 2, they will choose a high converting domain to boost your sales instantly. Okay? And they will create your first Facebook ad. They are responsible for creating your first Facebook ad, or you will done it by yourself by the help of them. Okay? To see your first commission check. Here, I want to mention something. Wesley and Ariella are concentrating on motivating you and moving you from the comfortable zone to what? To do the most simple and at least action to what? To get more money. Okay? They don't focusing on what? On just sleep and the money will come to you without an action. No. They want to make you responsible of your success. When you will be responsible of your success, you will get into way of success to reach to millionaire mindset. Okay? Okay, they will show you the way, the right way that they follow before you, and you have to follow them. Okay, don't ask a lot of things and don't overthinking about a lot of things. Just follow them and they will guide you. Okay, why? Because I am with them for 1 year ago. Okay, I find a lot of secrets in online marketing. They give it to you in what? In a simple dishes, without paying anything. If you'll pay only for the first time, and this is a live login for you. Okay, you will be logged in always, and they will be with you in each time, in each difficulty, even if anything had come to websites or a lot of social media are disabled you, they will help you and they will find a way for you to continue your success. I believe in them and I invite you to believe also in them and try this done for you services because you will not find it anywhere. Okay, let's continue. They will do all the tech stuff for you so you can earn up to $10,000 per month. Okay, okay. Here and they, even if you are a slow learner, they will help you. This program is good for you, even if you are a zero learner of online marketing. You don't know anything, but you will know. Okay, okay. How you can tap into this proven system right now and start generating $500 per day or more and be on track for 6 figures. Okay, and how it can change your life forever. In fact, this training has helped over 2,000, 4,000 plus people from around the world in the last year make $1,000, and guess what? We did everything for them. What's that? That mean they will do everything for you. Just they want you to make action. Just make the action. Do the action. And they will be with you. Always, always. And they will motivate you every day. And Wesley and Ariella will not keep or not sleep until you what? Until you get your success. And that's what I see, what I saw in this done for you services. So guys, go ahead and join done for you services of Ariella. Okay, don't forget to what? To check it. Okay, because it is so helpful and important in making what? Marketing available for you online. Okay, thank you very much.